Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a delicious and aromatic dish called Baghara Baingan. Enjoy in Hyderabad's culinary delight Baghara Baingan. Tender brinjal or eggplants stuffed with aromatic spices, simmered in a rich gravy, a taste of tradition in every bite. Take some tamarind soak before you start this recipe. Begin by washing the brinjal or eggplants thoroughly and making 4 cuts without separating them completely. Soak them in water to prevent discoloration. For the stuffing, fry peanuts. Fry sesame seeds or dill. Fry little cumin seeds, coriander seeds and poppy seeds. Allow them to cool. Take some coconut pieces, curry leaves, green chillies. Take that soaked tamarind, do mash in hand. Transfer the fried spices and coconut pieces, curry leaves, green chillies to a mixer jar. Add a little tamarind water. Blend into a smooth paste and transfer it to a plate. Take some gram flour and do little fry. Blend into a smooth paste and transfer it to a plate. Add salt, add turmeric powder and add fried gram flour. Mix well. Mix well. Stuff the brinjal or eggplants with the prepared masala paste mixture. Take one bowl. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and black cumin seeds. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and black cumin seeds. Once they splatter, add curry leaves, green chillies, and turmeric powder. Mix water with extra masala paste. Turn off the heat and arrange the stuffed eggplants in the pan. Mix water with extra masala paste and pour it into the pan. Cook the eggplants on high heat for a while. Then add Kashmiri red chilli powder and garam masala powder. Cook on medium heat. Ingredients list are in description. Finally, add the remaining tamarind water and cook for a little longer until the brinjal or eggplants are tender and the gravy thickens. Your flavorful Baghara Baingan is ready to be served. Enjoy it with roti or rice for a delightful meal. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make Baghara Baingan. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.